Greetings from Wichita State University's College of Applied Studies. This video is for students seeking admission to the graduate school as a non-degree student for the purpose of participation in our market-based tuition program. The first thing we're going to cover are 2 reasons why you would not want to submit this application. First, if it is your desire to start and complete a new graduate degree at WSU, this is not the application for you. There is a separate application for degree-bound students beginning for the first time. This application should only be used for market-based tuition students, which is a non-degree program. You should also not use this application if you are a current graduate student at WSU. A student can only be admitted into one program at a time, so if you are finishing a current graduate program at WSU, applying for a non-degree status would remove your active status in your current degree program. Lastly, it's also important to note that the market-based tuition program has a special tuition rate which is significantly less than the standard tuition rate of a degree-bound student. If you request registration and are already admitted as a degree-bound graduate student, you can still earn the credit. However, you will be charged at the current degree-bound rate. Having said that, we'll move on to the very first point. The question is, are you currently a degree-bound program at Wichita State University? Given what we have said recently, we would hope that you would indicate no. And if you indicate yes, then it's going to tell you that you probably should not complete this application. Beyond that is the biographical information. It's fairly straightforward, but I'll pause for just one moment to say that it does ask for some sensitive information, and you should feel confident in providing it given that this is a secure website. The next place is the program selection. If done incorrectly, we'll have to submit a new application in order to correct it. The program department you must select for the College of Applied Studies market-based tuition program is the Learning and Instructional Design. It doesn't matter what subject you may teach, if you are an educator or if you are practicing as a counselor or social worker, you need to select Learning and Instructional Design. The next area that is commonly mistaken is the application term. The College of Applied Studies will offer course credit the immediate semester after the training, workshop, or other professional development has been completed. For example, if the training was completed in the fall semester, the course credit will be offered in the spring. Courses are always offered the semester following the training to allow time for processing at the university and verification to be provided by the district or organization that was hosted. If you're unsure of the correct semester to select, please contact us. The next section is simply related to the degree verification documentation. What the graduate school is asking for here is that you provide either a copy of a bachelor's degree diploma, a transcript showing you earned a bachelor's degree or higher, or a copy of a state license that would require that you would have completed a bachelor's degree in order to obtain it. The file types that are accepted include JPEGs or PDFs. So with those particular things covered, I hope you're able to successfully submit the application. If you have an issue or if you have questions, it's always better to ask those before you submit your application.